action figures, oh. Oh, si Boatman, si Doro, tsaka si Speedoman.
Teka, yung pinorder ko si Yojo.
Yojo! Ayos, oh. Ayos, no?
Boy, boys playing with dolls. Confirmed. Ay, hindi pala. Confirm.
Action figures!
Charm! Alam mo, nag-general cleaning kami, tapos nakita ko yung mga Barbie ko nung bata pa ako.
Hello, Barbie doll.
Charm, laro tayo.
Eh, ayoko nga.
Sige na. Ito sa'yo yung isa, ito naman yung akin.
Eh, mas gusto ko yung isa eh.
Okay. Hello? Like, can we go shopping? Whatever. Cool. Like, do you want to go to the spa? Awesome. Oh, yeah, you go, girl.
What
Yeah.
waste of time is this? Alam niyo namang underman tayo today. Go back to work. Dali!
Bye. Bye.
Where's that report? I need that in 30 minutes.
I already sent it to you, ma'am. Here's the hard copy.
Oh, how efficient!
Okay, guys. Miss Carol has developed a plan to improve our creativity and our productivity. Pinadala ko kayo ng mga manika. May dala ba kayo?
Kami po, action figures!
Go, Joe!
Go, Joe ka dyan. Eh, manika pa rin naman yan eh. Boss, halika na, umpisa na natin itong doll workshop. Excited na ako!
Okay. Miss Carol, you may go ahead.
Okay, first thing, raise your dolls.
Woo! 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 Ay, wala naglag!
You know, Miss Joy, there's something fishy about your doll.
Hindi minanak ko ata sa lola ko.
I think it's a mangkukulam doll. You get that out of here.
No!
Come here.
Ayoko, ano ba? Miss Carol, ano ba? Mangkukulam ba talaga si Lola? Wala naman.